Hi, Mark and Renee, we're back with Scarlett. So what I want you guys, again, I want you to actively work at the training. We're not trying to demonstrate, her level of training. This is only a 6-month-old dog. On the down, I'm going to keep my foot on there, and I'm going to put my foot on there every time. I don't want you guys to try and see what she's going to do or whatever. We want to just really create these habits. You're going to get the hot dogs, another new invention. Good. So forget about those costly wild buffalo treats. This is $4 for probably a 3-week supply. And what we do is just take them in packs of 5, or take 5 of them, and separate them and put them in the freezer and then thaw them out on a daily basis. So anyway, I'm going to do my pager. I've got my Nick set on about 50, but what I did when I first got here, she was just I kind of reverted back, like I talked about the other day, to my walking. But now I'm going to require that she heel. So I will turn my Nick down a little bit. I'm going to go down to about, I've only got 1 bar on my battery too. I'm going to be at about 30, but I'll turn that up if I need to. So, all right, I'm going to say her name and do the pager concurrent. Scarlett, good, good. Oh, good, 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 good. Do that turn and do that treat there. We're proactive the whole time. Good, good. Heel. Good. I'm looking for that angle of the head. Good. Oh, she just tore the leash out of my hand, so I want you guys to get a leash like this. Good. Down. Closed circuit TV in that place. That might be a good idea in case you get a bad haircut. You could force them to play it back. Good. Good girl. Alright, so I'm just going to go again. Same thing, I'm keeping my foot on there though. Scarlett. Good. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. So I added my Nick right there when she went to sniff. Good, good. Down. Good. Good. Good girl. Good girl. She's got a great attitude, so you really want to keep that up. Good. Good. Scarlett. Good. Jump right there with the leash. Good girl. Good girl. Cute dog, don't you think?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Yeah. Wonderful. You want to have very quickly with your treat. Good. Good. Yeah. All right, so I'm already looking at my leash as far as being ready to put my foot on there. Good. Good. Down. Wonderful. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Even though she does understand it, she's got to understand it to the level that that's what's going to happen. That there is not a lot of options as far as jumping here, jumping there. Good. Scarlett. Good. 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 Same thing. I'm already looking at my leash. Down. Wonderful. All right, guys, we'll be back with the recall in a minute.